Hi everyone, Jen here from Education to the Core. Just want to do a quick video for you to show you how to add these digital fluency passages into your account. What you need to do is make sure you're logged into your Google Drive first, but if not, if you forgot, it's no big deal. It'll just ask you to do that step before these are added. What you're going to do on this PDF, you're going to do click here. If you've never allowed Adobe to open up a file before, it's going to ask you to connect to Google Drive. Just click on Allow. And then what it's going to do is it's going to pull open your Google Drive. See, now as you can see, I'm already logged in. If you have not logged in, it would just, the sign in button would show up in this corner here. Now, it looks deceiving because what it looks like is that it's already been added to your drive. But when you double click on each folder here, you'll see that they're in view only mode. So you have a couple choices. You can either go into each individual file and choose make a copy, and that'll make a copy into your drive. Or the easier part is to choose one folder. It does not matter which one. You're going to pick Control A, and what Control A is going to do is that is going to select all of the files, and you'll see they're all in blue. Then what you're going to do is you're going to right click on them and make a copy. And then once you click make a copy, you'll see in this corner that it's saying it's copying 13 files. And sometimes it takes a minute. And what this is doing as it's copying these 13 files, it is not going to copy them back into this folder because this is the shared folder. What it's going to do is it's going to add those into your main drive. And when it's all done, an alert should pop up. See, it says copied 13 files into my drive. When that pops up, then you'll know it's complete. You can X out of that. And then when you go into your drive, all of those folders are now there for you. Hope that helps. Let us know if you have any questions.